Yeah, just came from the police station where I applied for my certificate of good character. And in the process, I had to take my fingerprints. My finger all black. Yeah. And it got me wondering, what's the point? There is no fingerprinting system in this country that you can catch a criminal while he's doing it. Catch a criminal using the fingerprinting system. And for a country, for an area where the crime rate is so high, that police station was a rubber comb. It was shocking. So I'm off to John D now. Hope my stuff is ready. Until then, later, kisses.